This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, obtain a trident by killing a drowned mob and picking it up. Repair the trident on an anvil using another trident or enchanted book if needed. Enchant the trident with channeling on an anvil using a channeling book. Optionally, add loyalty to make retrieval automatic when it returns to you. Remember that channeling requires a thunderstorm in the overworld for function. Keep a spare trident in your inventory for backups and enchantment failures. Next, cause or wait for a thunderstorm to appear in the overworld. Use the /weather command or wait naturally until the storm begins. Position yourself so the target has direct exposure to the open sky with no solid blocks above. Aim carefully and throw the trident so it strikes a living mob or mob-type entity. If loyalty is present, the trident will return to you after the hit. If you hit a block instead, channeling will not summon lightning. When the trident with channeling hits, a valid mob during a thunderstorm lightning strikes at that location. Lightning will charge creepers into charged creepers and can turn villagers into witches when struck. Charged creepers are useful for rare mob head drops and controlled farm builds. Protect nearby flammable structures and non-combatant mobs from accidental strikes and fires. Use distance, cover, or iron barriers to shield important areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.